How to add WhatsApp chat to your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it, and then in the online store you can go to edit theme here. After that you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor as you can see. So let's say I want to add the WhatsApp chat in the home page. So you can click add section here in the template tab, and then you can search custom. For custom liquid, this one, click on it. Now you can put the code, the HTML code here. So in order to get the code, to get the WhatsApp widget code, so you can go to elfsite.com and then sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widgets here. After that, you will find a lot of widgets here. Now you can see there is WhatsApp chat. You can click on it. But if you don't see it, you can go to chats, and then you will find WhatsApp chat. And as you can see, you can create widget for free. You can click that button, and now you can choose the template or the style. So it's up to you. Maybe I'm gonna choose this one. It's simple. So you can click continue. Then you can set it up. You can connect your WhatsApp. Then you can set, the style and others thing here. You can explore. After that, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. If you think all good, you can just click publish, and then you can select the plan. I'm going to choose this one, the free one, and you will get the code. You can copy the code and go back to the website editor and paste the code here and wait for a few seconds until it appears. And as you can see, it's appear here. This is the WhatsApp chat. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.